Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how you can add the animation effect to text template on CapCut PC. So as you know, when you add text from a text template, for example, select text template. So you won't find um, an animation option on the right. Yeah, so the point when you add the full text, so you can find the animation option on the right and you can add the animation to your text. So how to be able to add the animation to text template? You just need to add a background. So select media and select library, and you can select white, black or png background. So just for it within the same length, and you you have to component clip. Just select the clip and right click and select create component clip. So after done, you can find the animation option on the right. So you can add the animation to your text template. Select animation and just select the animation as you like and select the duration. So you can see. All right, that's a simple trick I can show you, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.